Hey guys, got my Subaru in the garage today. The other day it started pulling on me, and I thought something was wrong with the suspension parts. Turned out it was a wheel bearing. This is the worst wheel bearing I've ever seen in the last 30 years I've worked on cars. Trying to show you guys how bad it is. Can't really get a good... I don't know how well that's showing up, but that's floppy loose. Floppy loose. I have never seen a wheel bearing that bad in my entire life. The only thing holding the front end, or at least this front tire on and stuff, is the brake assembly. So today, bearing came in, sitting right there. I'm gonna put it in. I gotta tear the spindle off, send the spindle out, have a bearing pressed in. So I'm gonna take it apart tonight, do the bearing tomorrow, put it all back together tomorrow night. But so now I'm driving Old Blue for the last couple days, which I love my old truck, but 8 miles a gallon sucks right now. So this is what I'm dealing with. It's my 2001 Subaru Outback. Just turned 200,000 miles, and it's original bearings. It's never been done, so it's like way overdue. But I thought I'd show you guys that wheel bearing. There you go. Yeah, nice and loose. So yeah, I just figured I'd show you guys what's going on tonight, and as usual, please like and subscribe to my channel. I've got a custom Corvette coming in this weekend to possibly put a fuel pump in. I'm going to post some videos of it. When you guys see this thing, you're going to absolutely love it. It's one of the prettiest C4 Corvettes I've ever seen. Fully customed out. Total body package on it. It's just unreal, the body kit they put on it. So I'll post that this weekend, but I figure I'd give you guys a video to show you the old Outback and how things are going. Oh yeah, and something else I did, which I haven't posted a video of yet. If you look, which you probably can't see, let me get the door open here. There is dual exhaust on it. I put dual exhaust on it a few weeks ago before I realized the bearing was bad. It sounds pretty radical with the dual exhaust. I love the way these flat fours sound. No mufflers, just straight pipes. So, like I said, hope you enjoy my videos. Please like and subscribe, and have a good evening.